Alright, what is up guys? It's been a couple of days since the introduction video to the channel, and like I said, some mods are coming through in the mail for the Subaru STI. First one just came in through UPS today about 5 minutes ago, and you know it's gonna be good with the Cobb box. Any guesses? Leave a comment below before I open it up. Don't cheat. And let me grab a knife real quick and we'll be back and unbox this. All right, got a knife. Let's open this bad boy up. I used to get a bunch of Cobb stuff for the, I used to have a BMW 335 before the STI, and got a ton of parts from them. Always super impressed with the quality of their items as well as the packaging and service they've offered. So I know they actually got started with the Subarus, so definitely wanted to keep using them as a company for all of my aftermarket parts. I've always been super impressed. All right, so any guesses before I get it up? And might be pretty obvious by the box size, but got a shift knob for the STI. So the STI has red trim stitching inside, and I was trying to decide between the black and red or the white and red. So I got the white and red. It's got a nice weight, feels pretty good in the hand, so pretty excited. You can see it says Cobb right here. This is almost like a heavy duty not polyurethane, but it's like a really hard plastic, not as dense as metal, but pretty close. But yeah, here it is. Now time to go install it. Okay guys, we're at the STI now, and never really gave you guys a quick walk around of the car, but here she is. It's a 2018 WRX STI, and I think it's called Ice Silver is the color. But favorite part about the car, definitely these huge 6-piston Brembo brakes, new for 2018. But yeah, let's get this install underway. So this is the interior, just the basic non-Recaro seats, but honestly I like them because it's my daily, so don't want to have too aggressive seats, and I'm going to be doing a lot of road trips back and forth between California and Colorado. So this is the stock shift knob that it comes with, and this is the Cobb one. So you can see pretty noticeable difference, and yeah, so looks like all we have to do is unscrew it. Pretty easy install. Unscrew this shift knob and put the Cobb one on. And another reason why I got the white is California, sitting in the sun, these can get pretty hot, so I thought the white one would stay a little bit cooler opposed to the black metal. Wow, this is actually pretty heavy shift knob from Subaru. The Cobb one is definitely lighter, so it'll be interesting to see how that plays out. The Cobb one definitely comes on a lot easier. And let's get it so it's saying Cobb, straightforward. Awesome. So that's pretty nice. Definitely goes in my hand a lot easier. And put the clutch in. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I think it's a little bit lower down, so I'll do a separate video with my driving impressions on it. Still figuring out a way to mount this, because honestly I'm just using my iPhone 8 Plus for a camera, but yeah, until I get a GoPro or something, I gotta figure out a way to mount this in the car so I can try and do some vlogs and stuff. But super impressed with the quality, and next up is going to be a first impressions video, and actually soon there's going to be an install video on the Remark axle back exhaust, so you guys can look forward to that. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, subscribe for more content, and yeah, watch out for the next video. Thanks. Bye.